It's been a great buzz. Everybody's enthusiastic about working together, and there seems to be a lot of opportunities available here. So hopefully people are making the right connections.
Nifer y busnesau gwahanol sydd wedi troi lan i'r Expo yn Abertawe yn brysur iawn, ond mae'n ffantastig gweld nifer y busnesau sydd yn troi lan i ennill waith, i tyfu'r busnes ac i helpu economi Cymru.
I think events like this are important for the Welsh economy and Welsh businesses in Wales to really break down the barriers between buyers and the public sector and really getting to know our local businesses in Wales.
Well, I think it's always good to be able to talk to people face to face. We've made a commitment to spend money in Wales, so it's good to be here in Wales talking to those potential suppliers as we go forward.
Pan mae'r ddau'n dod at ei gilydd a mae prynwyr a cyflenwyr yn gweithio hefo'i gilydd, dyna lle fedrwn ni adgloi yr gwerth mwyaf allan o'r 10 biliwn o gwariant yn y sector cyhoeddus Cymraeg.
It's an opportunity really to mix and connect with big companies and just building connection and networks through bigger companies, which you wouldn't really get the opportunity to do in a small town.
Great for the economy, great for Wales, it's great to keep work local as well, which is something I'm quite passionate about.
It shines a light on how both public and private sector contractors want to grow their Welsh supply chains, want to keep that money in Wales, and the more that we can have that dialogue and make businesses aware of the opportunities, the better Wales can be.